Hey guys, welcome back to A Place for Doll. I'm Heather, and today we will be doing an unboxing of our Misfits market. And Pierce and Eliana are my little helpers today.
I'm gonna open this. Ow.
I have to say that we have not had a funny looking one yet.
What?
It's called Misfits because they get all the produce that maybe looks a little bit funny. And so instead of it going to the trash, they ship it out to people. But all of our stuff looks pretty normal. This time I'm going to show them. We're recording outside today, but we got home from a pumpkin patch and we had all these deliveries on our porch, so we thought we'd open them, and it's nice outside. So we're going to do this. Our ice pack is still partially frozen. That's good, because I don't know how long this box is sitting out here.
We have one of these too.
Mint.
I have two of them. I'm gonna tie it.
That's so good. I love mint.
I never tied it before, guys.
Where I can see better.
I'm gonna sit right here.
Okay. You smell it? So good. When I was a kid, my aunt lived across the street from me, and my cousin and I, she always had a garden. And my cousin and I would go out and pick mint off of the plant, and she would get onto us every now and then if, you know, the plant wasn't old enough, if it was a baby plant, and we picked too much mint off of it, but we just loved it. Was it good? Yes. I have a mint plant that I need to, it's a kit where you put the soil and the seeds, and I need to do that.
It's kind of too flavored.
We have our own mint. Too strong?
Too strong by itself.
Oh yeah, she tries everything, which is awesome. This is organic herb mix. I just thought, in case I didn't want to go to the store and get some salad.
It's dead, guys. Another one.
Some fresh thyme. That one's thyme. I'm going to make some broth. Got something really pretty up next. That's hot. There you go.
You get one of them. And now I'm just gonna have this whole thing.
No, just try a piece. You know what? I haven't ever tried fresh thyme like this. Let me try this.
Hey. It's spicy.
It is a little spicy. Like the more you chew
spicy.
Alright then.
The more you chew it, it gets spicier.
Beautiful radishes.
I'm gonna tie it.
These can be spicy too. Let's wait until we can wash these, okay?
Okay.
But they're beautiful. Look at them.
I'm gonna eat this. What? It was off of this.
Here, you see what's in here? Hold on. This bag
I know what's inside.
is certified compostable. Here you go. You like it? She likes the radish tops. Okay, we need to wash them.
Yeah.
This video is very impromptu. Just
I know what's in here.
got home from the pumpkin patch and
I
saw
knew
them on the porch and decided to film it. So if I seem a little tired, I am.
Motley.
I guess we should unbox these at snack time. Should get her snack while we unbox. Dun, dun, dun. Rosemary, that is going to be for the broth also. Just go over just a little bit. Okay. Here, grab that.
I don't like the box.
I think that's a golden beet.
Or a rose beet.
A rose beet. Okay.
I never had a rose beet before.
Most of the time on my orders, I put things in my cart until I reach about the $30 mark. And then I just leave it at that. I don't usually go over too much. Pretty much just keep it at $30. So this box, what you see, was about $30. There's more though.
I love these. But the different colors we have those.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What's in there?
I'm gonna open all of them. It's hard.
Oh yes.
What?
So yummy.
What is that?
Persimmons. Oh, I forgot about those. I love them.
I want to try them.
Not right now. We gotta wait. Man, if you wait until these are really, really, really ripe, wow. So delicious. Oh, look. This time, I actually got the unsweetened rice milk that I thought I got 2 weeks
Another
ago.
one.
I accidentally got coconut last time, but Eliana likes that. So. Yep, I think all those are gonna be persimmons. I got 4 of them.
You got 5 of them.
Really? Was there 2 in that other one? I think that's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Another one.
I had a in this one.
We're about there. About to get it. Another one. Show them what we got left. Yeah. Beautiful
I'm gonna eat
carrots.
these all.
Beautiful carrots.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat the other one because let's.
And then look at these
Pepple.
ones. Can you
Pepple.
show them?
Pepple.
Orange or yellow?
Orange, yellow. Orange, yellow. Red. Orange, yellow. Pink, purple. And that's all of the colors.
Yeah. Now let's.
I'm gonna eat this one, Mama.
Not yet. They're not.
Yes.
These pull straight out of the ground. See, look. These grow in the ground all the way down there, and so we need to really clean that. Okay?
Nom, nom, nom.
It'll
I love
probably-
it.
If you just ate it right now, it'd probably just feel a bit like dirt.
I never had.
Okay, so let's lay this out. Can you lay it out here pretty? Broccoli, carrots, an ice pack. Okay, let's lay this out. Putting it in the box and not throwing it on the ground. Where's that other one? Persimmons. The broccoli. The broccoli looks good. Look at the pretty color. The carrots. Rosemary, thyme, and mint, radishes, all these beautiful carrots again.
Don't like that one.
You're gonna have to scoot back. We have more room.
I'm not like this one.
Beautiful golden beet.
No. Rose beet.
Look at that. Rose beet, that's what he calls it. Okay.
What do I call this?
It's over here. Here come with the rose beet.
We don't know what this is, so we're gonna call it a rose beet.
Okay, so it started getting late, but that is what we got. And you'll see a picture of Ellie at the end sitting with all the produce we got. But I thought I'd show you a couple things that I used the ingredients for. The carrots we put in a lentil stew, and there is the stock that I was talking about making. And there's Ellie. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more of what we do, please subscribe.